Hi, welcome to my cute tunes with Chalk. Today we're going to draw an angel, so follow along with me. So the first thing we're going to need again is our pencil. We're going to use a pencil, and then we're going to use our marker as well. So let's begin. First thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the eyes. So let's begin with that. So you're going to draw two beautiful round eyes. There's one eye, and then on this side, farther apart, you're going to draw another eye like this. That's absolutely perfect. And we're going to draw a little line below and another line here just to complete the eye. And let's not forget the light reflections. So a light reflection on top and a light reflection below. That's great. Now we're going to draw the nose. So we're going to draw a little tiny nose right there between the eyes. And of course, a beautiful little smile. There we go. Why we're drawing with a pencil is when we make a mistake, we can later rectify it with our marker. So, eyebrows. 1, 2. There we go. There's 2 eyebrows. And now for the chin. Right there at the bottom, you're going to draw a little small chin like this. And then we're going to go around and we're going to draw the head. There we go. Or the jawline. Right around like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Then right on top, I want you to draw the hair. So we're going to draw the hair like this. And we're going to continue with the hair. Yeah, just some square lines. Okay, just square lines everywhere. Perfect. And you're going to go down like that. And you're going to stop right there. And you're going to connect like this. Beautiful. On this side, we're going to draw the hair as well. And you're just going to draw some square lines. And you're going to connect it like that as well. Perfect. Then, right on top, we're going to draw the hair again. Good. And we're just going to follow a few lines, just quick lines, just to sort of get the shape of our hair. And this side we're going to do the same thing as well, because remember we're going to use the marker later to make it beautiful. So let's draw the hairline there as well. A few little bumps and things like that. And on this side, let's draw this a bit higher. There we go. Good, perfect. And we just draw a few lines like this. It can be rough because remember we're going to repair it later. And then ears. You can draw a small ear there and another small one there as well. And we're going to just complete the ears like that. That's perfect. And now we're going to draw the shoulder. Just above the cheek, next to the cheek, we're going to draw a little line like that. And you're going to draw another line as well like that. Good. And you're going to extend the line like this. Good, are you with me? Bring a line down and you're going to return it like that. And you're going to draw another line like this. Perfect. I want you to draw from here another line down and just bring it down to there and bring it up and make a little crease like this. Perfect. And this is actually also going to be a crease, but we will repair it a little bit later. And you're going to draw a little rope. Good. And we're going to draw another piece to the close of our little angel like that. All right. Perfect. And then here we're just going to draw the arm like this. There we go. You with me? And we're going to draw a straight line, connect it, and connect it like that. Perfect. And then from here, we're going to draw this robe of our little angel, just like that. You're going to bring it down like sort of a square. And then we're going to draw the feet like this. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Let's make it sandals. So we're going to draw a line and another line. A line and another line. So that would be sandals. And let's draw the toes. There's 1 toe, 2, 3, 4 toes. No, our angel has 4 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because this is a little cartoon, it doesn't matter how many toes. It's not that important. Then we're going to draw maybe a rope going down and a shorter rope like that as well. Perfect. And then we're going to draw the hand. You're going to draw a little thumb like this. And under the sun, you're going to draw maybe 3 lines like this. And it will look like this little hand is grasping something. So we can just draw a line up, a line down, and make it round at the bottom. And there we go. Perfect. And there's a little hand. And then from there, you're going to draw a line down, another line down, and you make it round. And then from here, maybe something roundish that our little angel has. Some sort of a cane. There we go. Perfect. And then for the other arm, we're just going to draw a little line down, and we're going to draw a thumb. Good. And then from the thumb, we're going to draw 1, 2, maybe 3 fingers like that. And there's the other hand. That's absolutely perfect. Next, wings. What will our little angel be without wings? So, let's draw it. There's 1 wing going up, just like that. And then on this side, we're going to do exactly the same thing. You're going to curve the line up like this. You see, there's the 2 wings. And now you're going to make it round on top. You're going to go like so, and you're going to go in closer. And we're going to do the same thing here. Round, go down, and go in. And then here we're going to do the same thing. You're going to go wide, and you're going to go smaller. Wide, and go smaller. And then beneath it, last part, wide, and you're going to go and you can connect it. Wide, go in, and bring it in. And there's our little angel. So next up, for our marker. So let's do it. So I'm going to start with the hair. You can start anywhere where you want. So we're just going to quickly just draw some rough lines like this. And remember, now you can change everything the way that you want. I'm just going to do it like this. Good. And then for the hair, I'm going to just make it a bit wider, and like this, and like this, and I'm going to connect it. And the same here, and there. Perfect. And a little ear. Perfect. And another ear. There. Perfect. And now for the beautiful big eyes. Round like that. And again, round like that. A mark below. And another mark below. Light reflections. Then the other light reflections of the other eye. And then the beautiful little eyebrows. The nose. A small little nose right between the eyes, and a beautiful big smile. There we go. Beautiful big smile. And we're going to draw the jawline. There we go. And you're going to complete the jawline like this. And you're going to connect it. And now we can color in our eyes. And again, be careful not to cross the lines here. Stay within them. There we go. And there are one eye complete. And let's do the other one as well. There we go. Almost done. Almost done. There we go. Perfect. And now for the shoulder and the arm. And we can just do it like so. I want to draw the body with a little crease, and there we go. And then we can draw the little thumb. 1, 2, 3. There we go, and there's the hand. And then from this side we're going to draw the top of the body. We're going to connect it. We're going to draw the little rope. See there, I draw a little rope. There we go. And a little knot as well. There's a little knot there. Perfect. And another piece of rope going around like that. And then the bottom part. Our angel's clothes. And it goes like this. That's absolutely perfect. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. And we're going to draw a little strap there on top. We're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 toes. And we're going to just draw that strap as well. Perfect. From here, the other arm. There we go. And you're just going to connect it like that. There we go. And then for the hand. And then for... There we go. And there's the other hand. And then we can draw the stick or the cane. Perfect. Going up. And then we're going over. Perfect. And now for the wings. So let's do this wing first. Here we go. There we go. And there we go. And we can just connect them behind the arm. And then this side, we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to go all the way around behind the cane. And the other wing. And don't cross the lines of the cane. There we go. And then the last one. Behind the arm. And it will connect to the body. There we go. And there's our little angel. The last thing we can do, just above the head of our little angel, you can draw an oval like this. Perfect. And then from here you can draw the bottom line like so. Good. And then from here you can draw the top line. Yeah, a little halo above our angel. I think this angel looks absolutely beautiful. What do you think? So what you can do now is you can take your crayons, your colored pencils or your markers, and you can color this angel in the colors you like, and it's going to look beautiful, I'm sure of it. It was a pleasure drawing with you. Please don't forget to click the like button and to subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon.